Insta360 videos are the new trend in content making, as they can record everything around you at once. But very few 360 cameras are out there that actually works, and can get the job done easily. Insta360 One X is one of the best affordable 360 camera for most people, although it is portable but delivers superior resolution video and pictures. The Insta360 One X can capture 5.7K videos at 30 fps, and 18MP pictures. It can also shoot 4K at 50 fps, and 3K 100 fps. The camera can shoot 5.7K resolution 360 videos, up to 30 minutes. It comes with a lot of features, like hyperlapse, free capture, time shift, and slow-mo. The camera connects with iOS or Android smartphones via 5G HC-band Wi-Fi, through the Companion app. The Companion app has the capacity of editing the footage directly within the app. It also has superior stabilization mode, that lets you shoot amazing stabilized videos. It also comes with several accessories that can be used to shoot great quality shots. It also has a small display to see what mode you are shooting your video or pictures. Now, the Insta360 One X really delivers all that it promises, and it comes ready to shoot out of the box. The camera with its flow state stabilization, can shoot videos at great stability, and video looks very professional. The stability of this 360 camera is most certainly better than other 360 cameras available in the market. Another way the Insta360 One X beats its competitors, is its hyperlapse effect. Videos shot at hyperlapse mode looks very amazing. Not only this camera can shoot in hyperlapse effect, but it can also shoot in slow-mo, and free capture mode, within the same video shoot. This is a very cool and nifty feature, for any of the 360 camera to have, but none has that. The camera provides great quality of resolution, and sharpness even though it has only 18 megapixel camera. However, it does face trouble in terms of contrast, which is nothing that can be fixed by color correcting, through the Companion app, or an external editor. The One X has HDR+, which can be helpful in capturing pictures with better color, dynamic range, and contrast. The Companion app for the Insta360 One X is the most superior, and sets the camera apart from other 360 cameras, in terms of editing power, and having so many features. The Insta360 One X works on the principle of shooting first, and focusing later. Meaning it'll shoot every little detail around you, and let you choose where to focus later. That allows you to shoot freely, without having to worry much about your shoot. It'll also let you edit videos frame by frame, and you can focus on multiple objects. Or set it to follow a single object while editing the footage. One of the best things about the camera is that their hardware is awesome, their firmware, and the Companion app is always on update. They are continuously improving their existing features, and rolling out new features with their firmware updates. The camera is compatible with both iOS and Android devices and connects via the 5G HC Wi-Fi band, offering super fast data transfer. Although the app is a bit laggy, and only works with the high-end phones, rendering video takes a huge time. But with amount of features and tricks, the app lets you do that wait is worth it. Also, if you compare the workflow of the Insta360 camera with other 360 cameras, the One X is definitely superior as it can deliver you videos really fast. To get good quality video with other 360 cameras, you have to edit them in external editors, and rendering those videos takes a lot of time. With Insta360 however, you can either edit them within the app, or very easily edit an external editor, as the videos are stitched. Insta360 One X doesn't have any IP rating, however with additional case you can make this camera waterproof, and shoot amazing underwater footage. It also has several other cool accessories to shoot cool videos, and save it against falling, or crashing into something. The camera comes with a selfie stick inside the box, which would disappear when used with Insta360 One X, and the footage would look like a third-person point of view. The Insta360 One X is made tough plastic material, and pretty durable if you bump into something. However, since its lenses sticks out, they might get damaged. With all its amazingness, the camera only has 1200 mAh battery and can shoot up to an hour. Also, the camera becomes very hot while shooting. Overall, the Insta360 camera is a beast of a camera, and it offers all the best qualities and features of its competitors. And that makes this 360 camera the best, as it delivers more than its competitors, but comes at much lower price point. Thus, it is absolutely worthy to spend $400 to have this amazing camera.